If your Bosch dishwasher shows E24, do not panic. Most of the time this code points to a drainage problem, not instant machine failure. E24 usually means the dishwasher cannot drain water out as expected. That can happen from a blocked filter area, a kinked drain hose, or restricted flow at the sink connection. Start by turning the machine off. Check and clean the filter area. Then inspect the drain hose path for bends or pinches. If your model allows basic pump cover access, check for visible debris only. Run a short cycle after these checks. If E24 returns, if water remains in the tub, or if you hear unusual pump noise, stop there and use official Bosch support. Avoid forcing deeper disassembly. Short version: E24 usually means drain flow trouble. Do safe surface checks first, then escalate if it repeats.